Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Vibes with Moumita. Today we will talk about the conditional sentences. That means the sentence which start with if, and generally they talk about a condition and a result of it. So let's discuss about the four type of conditional sentence. The first is zero conditional, that is always true. So the structure of the sentence should be if present simple, and the result sentence will be again present simple. For example, we can say if you heat water, it boils. So generally we use it for any fact or things that is always truth. That means which is universal truth. And the second one is first conditional. That is real possibility. The structure of the sentence should be if plus present simple, and the result sentence consists will plus verb. For example, if it rains, I will stay home. That generally used for real and possible future situation. And then comes to the second conditional, that is for imaginary or unreal situation. And the structure of the sentence should be if plus past simple, and the result sentence consists would plus verb. For example, if I had a car, I would travel the world. It's generally used for unreal or imaginary situation. Then the third conditional that generally express past regret, and the structure of the sentence should be if plus past perfect, and the result sentence consists would have plus v3. Example, if I had studied, I would have passed the exams. It generally we use to express any regret about the past. These four are some general concept of conditional sentence. We generally use this kind of conditional sentence in our sentences. So stay tuned for more such English tips. Thank you so much. Bye bye.